see in that picture? Yes, there is a boy. Yes, yes, there is a boy. And what he is doing? What is he doing?
Boy.
A boy. Very good, children. A boy is riding a bicycle. A boy is riding a bicycle. Okay? Look at the look at this picture. There is a girl. And what is she doing? Yes, a girl is keeping a rope. A girl is keeping a rope. Okay? Next picture. There is a boy. Yes? Very good. A boy is running. A boy is running. Now look at this picture. There is a woman. And what she is doing? What is she doing? Yes. A woman is driving a car. A woman is driving a car. Very good. Now, can you see this picture? Yes? Yes, there is a boy and he's sitting on the horse. Okay? So you can say a boy is riding a horse. A boy is riding a horse. Can you see this picture? Yes? Okay. There is a one girl and she is giving grass to cow. Okay? So, sentence will be like this. A girl is feeding a cow. A girl is feeding a cow. Can you see this picture? Yes? Okay, there is a one boy and he's climbing on a tree. A boy is climbing a tree. A boy is climbing a tree. Okay, children? So, today we will learn our new topic, that is 3.4 story time. Nina's dream. Nina's dream. So, children, open page number 38 of your English textbook. 3.4 story time. Nina's dream. First, I'm going to read the story. Okay? So, you all listen carefully and put your finger on the line. Okay? 3.4 story time. Nina's dream. Listen and repeat. Nina was a little girl. She lived in a small village. near Dive Agar in Konkan. Her parents worked in the field. Her village was near the sea. Her mother went to the grassland to graze their cattle. The older girls from her lane went to bring firewood from the forest. Nina sat under a mango tree and watched the birds, butterflies, and clouds. She too wanted to fly them. When she saw fishes in the sea, she wanted to swim. When she saw the sea, she wanted to cross it. And what is there on the other side? After dinner, when everyone slept in the front yard, she saw the moon, the stars, and wanted to touch them. When her mother heard her wishes, she smiled and said, "Girls cannot do all these things." Nina felt, "Will my wishes ever come true?" One day, a smart lady came to their village. She had a bag, some books, and a purse on her shoulder. Nina ran to her and asked, "Who are you? Are you going to live in our village?" The lady smiled and said, "Yes, I am Rutuja. I am going to live in your village. We are going to start an activity center here for the little girls like you." I also lived and went to school in a small village like this. Nina was happy. She held Rutuja's hand and took her home. She offered her some tea and laddus. Rutuja said, "Thank you, Nina. I am a pilot, but I have left the job because I want to teach different things to the little girls from villages." "A pilot? Really?" Nina was jumping with joy. "See, mother, girls can fly." Rutuja smiled and said, "Yes, I cross the ocean too." Mother too was very happy. Nina ran out to tell everyone about the new activity center. Okay, children? Now, see, name of the story? Story time, Nina's Dream. In this story, we are going to learn about Nina. Nina was a little girl. Yes. What was the name of little girl? Nina. What? Name of the girl is Nina. Okay. She lived in a small village near Dive Agar in Konkan. Where did she live? Where did Nina live? Nina lived in small village near Dive Agar in Konkan. Remember this. The name of the village is Dive Agar in Konkan. And name of the girl is Nina. So this is a story about the Nina. Her parents work in the field. That means her parents were farmer in profession. Okay. So her parents work in the field. Her village was near the sea. So children, how will you like if your village is near to the sea? You will enjoy, na? Will you like to go to your village? Yes, na? Yeah, of course. If there is a sea near to our village, we always like to go there. Her brother went to the grassland to graze their cattle. The older girls from her land went to bring firewood from the forest. Yes, Nina's brother went to the grassland. Grassland means what? The large part of land which is covered by grass. And graze, to graze means to feed the animals. To eat grass. And cattle means animals like cows, buffalo. Okay. So Nina's brother went to the grassland to graze the cattle. And older girls, older means the girls are old than Meena. Okay. So older girls went to bring firewood. Firewood means the wood is used for burning the fire from the forest. We get firewood from the forest. Okay. So older girls went to the forest. But Nina liked to sit under a mango tree and to observe the birds, butterflies, and clouds. So one day, Meena was sat under a mango tree and she was watching birds, butterflies, clouds. She wanted to fly like them. And when she observed birds, butterflies from the clouds, butterflies, Meena wanted to cross the sea. Why? Why did she want to cross the sea? Because she wanted to see that what is there on the other side of the sea. After dinner, at night after dinner, when everyone slept in the front yard, she saw the moon, stars, and wanted to touch them. Okay, so when everyone slept in the front yard, Meena was observing moon, stars, and wanted to touch them. When her mother heard her wishes, she smiled and said, "Girls cannot do all these things." Nina was a little girl and her wishes was very big. Her wishes were very big. But her mother heard her wishes. She laughed at Nina. So Nina got discouraged. One day, a smart lady came to their village. She had a bag, some books, and a purse in her shoulder. One day, what happened? A smart lady came to their village. And by seeing to that lady, Nina ran to her and asked, "Who are you? Are you going to live in our village?" The lady smiled and said her name was Rutuja. Okay, she said, "I am Rutuja." What was the name of smart lady? Rutuja. Rutuja, she said, "I am going to live in your village. We are going to start an activity center." Okay, so Rutuja said that she was going to live in Nina's village and they were going to start an activity center. So children, do you know about the activity center? What is the activity center? Yes, and activity center is a place where we can learn lots of activities. See, here I am showing you some activities related to maths in our school center. See? Out the activity center, Nina was happy. She held Rutuja's hand and took her home. She offered her some tea and laddu. Whenever anyone come to our home, we offered tea. She held Rutuja's hand and took her home. She offered her some tea and laddu. Whenever anyone come to our home, we offered them some teas. Okay, tea, biscuits. Yes, okay. So Rutuja also offered her some tea and laddus, and Rutuja said thank you. Okay. So whenever we get whenever we go to others' home, they give us some. They offered some to eat. Okay. So that time we have to say them thank you. Rutuja said, I am a pilot, but I have left the job because I want to teach different things to little girls from villages. Rutuja was a pilot. And do you know about the pilot? Yes, children? See. Pilot is a person that drives a vehicle such as airplane, spacecraft. Okay? Pilot is a person that drives a vehicle such as airplane, spacecraft. Okay? So, when Nina heard that Rutuja was a pilot, okay, so that time Nina was jumping with joy and said to her mother, Mother, see mother, girls can fly. Rutuja smiled and said, they can sail across the ocean too. So, whenever Nina heard about that, Nina was very happy and she was telling to her mother that, Mama, mother, see, girls can fly. And Rutuja also said, they can sail across the ocean too. And Nina was very happy because her wishes will come true. And that's like Rutuja, Nina can also fulfill her wishes. Okay, Rutuja was a pilot and she has completed her dreams. Okay, so Nina thought that she could also fulfill her wishes. Nina's mother was very happy and Nina to tell everything about new activity center. Okay, so Nina ran out to tell about everyone about new activity center because she was very happy and her mother was also very happy. So children, do you like this story? Yes, nice story, na? Like Nina, you also have some dream, na? Yes, Nina was very happy after hearing her dreams may come true, but she needs to work hard. So, children, dream big, stay positive, work hard, and enjoy the journey. Never let go of your dreams because dreams are because these dreams help us remember things, be more creative like Nina. Okay, so